Hey guys, today we are at one of my friend's places. So I think he's just coming downstairs now, and we're here to check out his bike. And I want to talk to him about his motorcycle too. I think he's getting some new tires. It's a really sweet ride. I've reviewed the bike on Ignite Motorrad. I'll drop the link up here somewhere, as well as in the description of the video. It's gonna be super cool checking out the bike and seeing what plans he has for it. So, and I know I'm wearing a mask. I don't have to wear a mask if I'm the only person in the car, but I am deadly scared of the cops. So I wear it anyways. So I'm just gonna get out now and I'll show you what's what. So this is the Ducati Monster 796, which we're here to see. This is Siddharth. Siddharth, say hi.
Hello. Hi.
Okay, yeah. Whatever. So this is the bike, and bro, how old is it?
It's about 9 years old, 9 to 10.
Okay, it's 9 years old, but doesn't have a lot of kilometers on the odo, so the tires have been sitting. They're pretty much, I'm not gonna say stagnant, but they're not as used as they should be. So we're thinking of, as in I mean he's thinking of getting new tires for the bike, and the current ones are Pirelli Diablo Rossos, I think.
Right.
Yeah, they're Pirelli Diablo Rossos.
The first gen.
The first gen, yeah. The Diablo Rosso, and he also has a Merc, which I didn't know. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna head off to the Pirelli showroom now and see if they have the tires in stock for the Monster. So I'll keep you guys updated about the progress. But it is a sweet bike, and again I'll drop the review. It's not a review, it's more of a tribute video, since this is quite a old motorcycle. So you can check out the video as well. We've got plenty of awesome pan shots, sick riding shots. So I'll just put the link up here somewhere. Okay, so we're at Pirelli and we've checked out the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 2 and the Angel GT, and so we're going to consider which one's are right for Sid Monster. So the Rosso, the set is going to be around 31,000, whereas the GT is going to be 32. So Rosso is slightly more performance oriented, but Angel GT I think right now is more suited to the requirements of Siddharth's riding. So a blend of touring and a little bit of aggression as well. So so we're just gonna go reflect on it a bit, do some research, and once we've decided, we can place the order with the store and then get the wheels on the Monster chain. So definitely, so that's it for now, and now we're heading back. So because there is still a curfew and we don't want to get held up in traffic. So yeah. Okay, so we're on the way back home now, and Sid is gonna think about which ones to get.
I'm not sure. Like I haven't done any research in like both the tire types. So
yeah, but we will do the research eventually. Yeah. And once we decided, let's see what to do. And he has an automatic Merc, but he's still pretty good at the budget first generation Swift petrol, which is very impressive. Yeah.
hey, manual is OG.
Manual is OG. Manual is very much OG. And I think my selfie camera is better than the primary camera, which is weird. Samsung, what the hell are you doing? Anyways, that's it for this one. Catch you in the next one, guys.